Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip. In celebration of Filipino Food Month or Buwan ng Lutong Filipino, PAMANA Buffet at Cafe Belmont of Belmont Hotel Manila at Newport Boulevard, Pasay City offers popular Filipino cuisines representing Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The Filipino chef's expertise showcased lesser-known vegetables and rare ingredients, giving each dish a different twist and flavor. The buffet has a colorful setting with some fresh harvest of fruits and vegetables and delicious delicacies on display as samples, such as Batwan, Himbabao, Balikutsa, and Etag, among others, which are patiently sourced from the various regions in the country. We can't wait to help ourselves and begin savoring the inviting offerings of finger foods like laing pizza, which originates from the Bicol region, and sisig pizza, which originates from the Pampanga region. Other appetizers are duck eggs of Pateros balut, Laguna okoy fritters made of assorted vegetables, the Ilocano-style sisig in sarabasab, the Mindanao version of grilled pork belly and fish ceviche, sinuglaw, and Jensen's kinilaw na tuna with gamit, our version of Japanese nori, best eaten with pickled fruits like burong kamyas and burong mangga. Other mouth-watering additions are Pampanga's fermented cooked rice of burong isda and burong hipon, which are best paired with an indigenous vegetable native to the Philippines of ensaladang himbabao or alakon sa sinamak, and etag, a native delicacy in the Cordillera region, which is sun-dried pork cured in salt, complemented with lato salad. Buffet looks inviting and homey with eco-friendly, versatile wooden serving pots made of indigenous materials produced locally with delicious hot mains of Cebu balbakwa, a Filipino beef stew cooked in various spices including kalingag, our local cinnamon variety. Alongside are pork humba, a Filipino braised pork belly dish from eastern Visayas, provinces of Samar and Leyte, with sweet savory soy vinegar sauce, and the pianggang manok, which originates from the Tausug people of Sulu and Mindanao, which is a blackened coconut grilled chicken, traditionally stewed in its flavorful sauce, then pines on the grill. The vegetable dish offered is inabraw or dinengdeng, an Ilocano dish of different kinds of vegetables with fried milk fish, classified as a bagoong-based dish. They also have the pleasantly refreshing and sweet pansit buko, which originates from the Tagalog people of Quezon and Laguna, which uses thin strips of young coconut instead of noodles, added with pork, shrimp, himbabao, and etag for extra taste. The bringhe, which is said to have originated from the province of Pampanga, is the Philippine version of Spanish paella and is made with glutinous rice, coconut milk, and turmeric, best paired with fried snapper, creatively displayed, cooled with fried fish fingers and crispy fish crackers. Tasty and flavorful is the pinaupong manok or seated chicken, a whole chicken cooked upright on a banana-lined salt bed and steamed in a palayok until tender. The centerpiece and the crowd favorite is the flavorful lechon kawale, a popular Filipino pork belly dish deep-fried to golden perfection and best eaten with homemade liver sauce cooked with aromatics and spices for a medley of flavors. Our lechon kawale gained recognition from Taste Atlas rankings in May 2024 as the top in Southeast Asia and the 20th out of the 100 on the list of 100 pork dishes in the world. Another worth trying is the rich-tasting lechon baka, a charcoal grilled beef seasoned with Filipino herbs and spices. Hot soup choices are the kansip soup, a Western Visayas sour soup made of beef chunks, soured with the use of Batwan fruit, also known as binukaw, endemic to the Philippines and harvested from the wild. And the pinikpikan soup, a chicken dish from the Igorot tribes of the Cordillera region, where beating the live chicken before cooking is a tradition. Seafood lovers enjoyed the freshness of shrimp and mussels, cooked a la minute at the seafood station with savory sauces of sweet chili and butter garlic. The desserts at the dessert station open new avenues for our heirloom ingredients, with the sour flavor of Batwan for the Batwan ice cream and the saltiness of asin tibuok for the salted caramel ice cream. The asin tibuok is a rare Filipino artisanal sea salt from the Boholano people. Then there are the sweet fried turon, cebu masi, bibingka, assorted donuts, assorted pressed fruits, and the queen of all desserts, the halo-halo. Indulged in hot tea and brewed coffee throughout the buffet. Cafe Belmont's PAMANA Buffet is passionately inspired and is a very well thought out menu promoting their origin that creates authentic and reasonably priced buffet cuisine. It helps support and patronize the consumption of our heirloom culinary ingredients for the continual transmissions of traditions that define our culture, identity, and food security. Let's reward ourselves with the awe-inspiring taste of our heirloom dishes, thus uplifting the Filipino spirit with great dining experience that surpasses everyone's expectations. Again, for the whole month of June, Cafe Belmont offers everyone another mouth-watering feast featuring all-star Filipino dishes with the Kalayaan Feast in celebration of Independence Day. For inquiries, call 5318-8888 or send a Viber message to 639-2700-79952. See you on our next food trip at Dad's World Buffet, West Avenue, Quezon City. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.